everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 851 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out a Shopmissa $1 makeup product. This is from the brand Amuse Cosmetics. It's the matte long-lasting Pro Eyebrow Pencil. I got it in the shade Ash Blonde, which sounds like it would be the right shade for me. It can be really hard getting the right shade match when purchasing online. So like I said, this is from Shopmissa. It's only $1 and it's cruelty-free. This, looking at it first impression, looks like a full-size, expensive eyebrow pencil. I love that it has the spoolie on one end, the twist-up brow product on the other. This is seriously my favorite type of brow product. And I love eyebrow products. I love filling in my brows. I love trying out different eyebrow products. So I'm really excited about this. And this looks like a promising pencil applicator shape. It has a teardrop shape, I would say. Before I apply it to my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch to check out the color. Ooh, it looks perfect. It's like a light brown, but a shade that's buildable. So if I use more pressure, it'll be darker. But ooh, this looks like a perfect match. Of course, my hair is wet right now, so my brows, it's like gonna be kind of hard to tell if my brows match my hair, but this looks like a good color. Oh, I'm excited. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows because I just feel like I look so incomplete when I don't have my brows on. So to start out, I'm gonna brush through the brows with the spoolie. I have long brow hairs, so brushing them with the spoolie is important. Make sure they're all going in the right direction. And I'm gonna take the pointy end of the pencil and just try and fill in sparse areas. Yes, I can get really thin, fine lines. It's applying with good pigment. So I'm gonna outline the shape that I want. Fill in with these small little hair-like strokes. Ooh, this is coming together nicely. And then I'm very sparse at the front of my brows, so that's where I like to make little hair-like lines. The difference right now. So I definitely need to blend it in with the spoolie because you can see the lines from the pencil. Let's see if it blends in when I brush through. Yeah, it definitely seems to be. So it makes it so then you can't see the little pencil lines and it just kind of fills in the brow. It might be a little bit too reddish, warm tone for my brow to be like an exact match. I feel like I can kind of see the color from the pencil, not necessarily seeing the pencil didn't really leave marks or texture, but it just kind of looks like my brow is a little bit more red now, but it might be okay. I think I like it. But I think this did a really nice job of filling in my brow and getting it to be exactly how I like to fill my brow in every day for $1. I am very picky about my brow products. And I'm gonna be honest, this is not the best I've ever tried, only because of the shade match. But the formula, the blendable, the pigment, the application, all of that is great. So I'm really happy with it. I wish I'd gotten it in a cool tone blonde shade, but I think this could still work. I find it really quick and easy to use. I'm just using a very light hand, but it's still showing up with good pigment. It's easy to control so that I can get that perfect brow shape. Right before this, I was looking on the Shopmissa website at all of their brow pencils, and they have so many great eyebrow pencils on the Shopmissa website. They have a lot of the AOA Studio brand brow pencils, which I love. I love the AOA Studio brand. That's the Shopmissa private label brand, and it's so good. So if you are looking for a great brow pencil, I don't think that you have to spend a lot of money on them. I will admit that the expensive brow pencils like the Anastasia Brow Wiz are amazing, but I've been able to find really great inexpensive brow pencils. So this is an example. Another one I love, the e.l.f. brow pencil, the AOA Studio brow pencils, and I'm happy with how my brows look. I just feel so much more complete when I have my brows on. It just looks so much more normal, but sometimes I do go overboard and I make my brows look a little crazy. I was noticing that on my Zoom call, maybe this past week or the week before. I was like, girl, your eyebrows are really big today. But it's okay. Sometimes that happens, and you know what? I can just wipe it off and be back to having very minimal brows. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. I would love to hear in the comments down below what your favorite brow pencils are. If you have any favorite inexpensive brow pencils, maybe some that I just mentioned, maybe some other ones. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.